In 1945, the Allies handed Stalin the German city of Königsberg. Just like that, 300,000 people expelled overnight, renamed Kaliningrad, erased from history. Today, it's a Russian military fortress completely surrounded by NATO countries, and it started with one decision at a single conference table. So why did the Allies just hand it over? Königsberg was one of the most prestigious cities in all of Europe. Founded by the Teutonic Knights in 1255, it was the intellectual heartbeat of Prussia, the city where the great philosopher Immanuel Kant lived and died without ever leaving its borders. It was German, deeply, culturally, historically German. But here's where it gets interesting. After World War II, the Allied powers sat down at the Potsdam Conference in 1945 and began carving up Europe like it was a Sunday roast. Germany had been defeated, and Stalin had his eyes fixed on one particular prize. He wanted Königsberg. And the reason? It's all about strategy. You see, Russia's Baltic ports freeze in winter, but Königsberg, sitting on the warm waters of the Baltic Sea, doesn't. Stalin needed a warm water port that could operate year-round for his navy. This wasn't sentiment. This was cold, calculated, geopolitical chess. The Allies agreed. Just like that, the entire German population, nearly 300,000 people, was expelled, forcibly removed from a land their ancestors had built over 7 centuries. Soviet citizens were shipped in to replace them. The city was renamed Kaliningrad after a Soviet official. The German architecture largely demolished or repurposed. The cemeteries built over. A city's entire identity erased, almost overnight. Now here's why you should care about this in 2026. Kaliningrad is home to Russia's Baltic Fleet. It is packed with missiles, military infrastructure, and nuclear capabilities. It is, quite literally, a Russian military fortress sitting inside NATO territory, because both Poland and Lithuania are NATO members. Every time tensions rise between Russia and the West, military analysts look at Kaliningrad and hold their breath. The Suwalki Gap, a tiny 65-mile land corridor between Kaliningrad and Belarus, is considered one of the most strategically vulnerable points on Earth. One border decision made in 1945 still haunts European security today. This is what geopolitical history does. It doesn't stay in the past, it bleeds into the present. A conference room decision, a signature on a map, and suddenly a German city wakes up Russian forever.